This video is about the common errors committed by the takers of the trial test in English. This contains items on perfect tenses, use of emphatic verbs, subject-verb agreement, and use of the pronoun I and me. The first is on present perfect tense. The lawyer has already blanked to the court. Going, gone, went, been going. Definitely, the options going and went cannot be answers because it is wrong to use has going and has went. The helping verb has is used with past participle form of the main verb. Therefore, the correct sentence is, the lawyer has already gone to the court. Another item for present perfect tense, my parents blanked to attend my cousin's wedding in Davao. Had decided, has decided, have decided, will have decided. By just looking at the subject, you may easily trim down your options. The subject is plural, so has decided cannot be the answer. There are neither two past actions or events nor two future actions or events, so had decided and will have decided are definitely wrong answers. Have decided is the correct answer. Let's move to past perfect tense. We had gone home before it blank. Rain, rains, rained, had rained. Why not rain or rains? Definitely not, for it is confusing to have past and present tense of the main verb in one sentence. Consistency is one of the keys. However, there cannot be two hads in one sentence. As the rule in past perfect tense says, there must be two actions in the past. One happened first before the other. The correct sentence is, we had gone home before it rained. We blanked the session just before the blackout. Finish, finished, have finished, had finished. We should understand that two events in the sentence are the session and the blackout. What happened first? Of course, it's the session. How do we know that? Yes, it's by the preposition before. And that will arrive to the statement, we had finished the session before the blackout. Future perfect tense. The boys blank with each other's team several times by then. Played, will have played, have been playing. The answer is will have played. Will plus have plus past participle form of the main verb is the rule for future perfect tense. And how do you know that it's in a future perfect tense? The clue is the time indicator by then. Emphatic verb. What are the emphatic verbs? Those are the options do, does, did. At present, he blank managed the team well. Do, does, did, has. Why shouldn't we answer it with has? No way! Again, has must always be a helping verb to the past participle. Manage here is in base form. The subject is he. Singular and the time indicator is at present. So, the sentence will be, at present, he does manage the team well. The teacher did blank the student last year. Pass, passes, past, passing. There's no way to use passes, past, or passing. Did here is an emphatic verb, and the main verb to be used with this form must be a verb in base form like pass. There are 3 items on subject-verb agreement that I need to review. Rice and fish, blank, a typical farmer's meal. Is, are, has, have. Definitely has and have cannot be the answer. Now what should it be? Is or are? Rice and fish as a single set of meal is considered singular. So it will be rice and fish is a typical farmer's meal. Not one of the members blank injured in the accident. Has, have, was, were. You may easily omit has and have as options because the given item is in passive voice. To use has, you still need to add been. Not one is the subject of the sentence and that is singular. So, the correct sentence is not one of the members was injured in the accident. The teacher along with the students blank the place. Visit, visits, have visited, are visiting. That is a statement with an intervening phrase along with. In that case, you should focus on the subject, the teacher, which is singular. So, the correct answer is visits. Let's have the modifiers. Then he finally came late. There is are blank modifier modifiers in the sentence. No, 1, 2, 3. The answer is 2. They are the modifiers, which are finally as an adverb and late as an adjective. He always makes his point clear. How many modifiers are in the sentence? None, 1, 2, 3. Again, there are 2 modifiers in the given sentence. They are always an adverb of frequency and clear, which is an adjective. The last item is, which among the sentences is poorly constructed? You were there yesterday. We will discuss a new lesson. He said it was me. I have not seen him yet. It's the third sentence. Why? It's because of the wrong use of pronoun me. Me in the given sentence is wrongly used as a complement to it because it must be I. Sometimes we hear that kind of a sentence in informal conversations. However, to make it formal, it must be said, he said it was I. To avoid these mistakes, I advise you to watch again my videos on verb tenses, subject-verb agreement, and points to remember in structure of English. Learn more and get high results on your English test. Finally, here is a quotation from a famous inventor. Mistakes are a source of experience, and it is the essence of experience that we call wisdom.